Hello everyone, myself Sneha Paranjpe. I'm a chief dietitian in Madhobag, and today I am going to talk about diet and blood pressure. So blood pressure is one of the risk factor for heart disease. Blood pressure is a condition wherein pressure creates on the blood vessels, that is called a blood pressure or hypertension. In India, around 58% of Indians are suffering from blood pressure. So if we want to maintain our heart health and to get rid of this blood pressure, we need to modify our diet, as diet plays very important role in maintaining your heart health as well as to control your blood pressure. So let's see quick tips for controlling blood pressure. First and the most important is have a goal of weight loss. Okay, losing weight or maintaining weight will definitely help to manage your blood pressure. As per many studies suggested that reducing even 5 kg of weight will help in reduce your blood pressure by 10 points. So always keep a goal of weight loss. Another second point is always choose a healthy fat. Many a times when patient goes to a doctor or a dietitian, they tell patients to restrict fat and they take it in other way and they stop completely. So don't stop completely your fats, choose a healthy fats. Avoid saturated and fried foods rather than saturated foods and fried food. Go for unsaturated fat containing foods like nuts, seeds, oily fishes that you can include in your diet. Third, include fiber in your diet. As Indian diet is lacking in fiber, always have a fiber rich foods like whole grains, pulses, cereals, then fruits and vegetables. That will help in maintain your weight as well as it will help in maintain your blood pressure. Fourth, include fruits and vegetables in your diet. Fruits and vegetables are the major source of potassium. Including more amount of potassium will always help in maintain your blood pressure. So include at least 5 servings of vegetables in your diet and at least 2 to 3 fruits of 2 to 3 servings of fruits in your diet. That will definitely help in maintain your blood pressure, and also it will provide satiety and help in weight loss. Fifth is include foods which are good source of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps in dilate your vessels. When vessels will dilate, the blood pressure will control. So beet is one of the example. Beet contains a good source of a good amount of nitric oxide. So nitric oxide will help in dilate vessels and maintain or reduce your blood pressure. So always include nitric oxide rich foods in your diet. Last but not the least, avoid excess consumption of sodium. Sodium is a part of salt, and as we are Indians, we consume excess amount of salt in our diet. Excess amount of salt is always increases the blood volume and increases the chances of blood pressure. So avoid having excess amount of salt in your diet. Instead of salt, include the substitutes like potassium rich salt, or you can include lemon, tamarind, pepper to enhance the flavor of the food. Always include at less than 1 teaspoon of salt in your diet and avoid having table salt. So to conclude this topic, always have small changes in your diet which will help in maintain your blood pressure and your health. So to know further, you can contact us on Lybrate.com. Thank you.